Hi, this is Dee at Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Behind me, you see the historic Launch Pad 39A. This is the pad where we launched every manned mission to the moon and a lot of the manned shuttle missions as well. You can also see the SpaceX building because they've leased this pad for some more historic firsts. They are going to be launching the first astronauts to the International Space Station since the shuttle program ended in 2011. It's also going to be the first crew in the Crew Dragon that SpaceX has developed specifically for missions of this type. Today, we're going to build a crew vehicle, the design of which will keep your astronauts safe. In order to build your crew vehicle, you can use whatever you have lying around the house. I've got a few things here: plastic trash bag, plastic cup, some string, some rubber bands, a few balloons, paper, straws. One thing you're going to need is an egg. Now you can use a raw egg, or if you prefer to avoid mess, you can use a hard-boiled egg. Either way, this egg is going to be your crew. We call it our egg-stronaut. You're going to assemble these materials however you want. The goal is to keep your egg-stronaut safe when dropped from a height of about 15 feet. I'm using a raw egg and I don't want to get raw egg on everything, so I'm going to seal it in a bag. This will be my egg-stronaut's spacesuit. If you're using a hard-boiled egg, it's not that important, but if it's a raw egg, just for health reasons, make sure you have it completely sealed. My egg-stronaut's looking a little bit nervous. Here goes nothing. I have to confess, that went a lot better than I was expecting. Let's see if my egg-stronaut survived. Wow, it looks, oh, no, he didn't. I see all kinds of yolk in here. That's not so good. Let's see if you can do better than I did. Take a picture of your results or a video of your drop and post it in the comments. This is Dee from Kennedy Space Center reminding you to keep looking up.